Guys, I'm back again today with another reaction video, and today we're reacting to Şebnem, I think that's how you pronounce it, Ferah, and this is Yağmurlar. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it, I don't know. But anyways, before we do start, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell button to get notified whenever I do upload a video, guys. Hopefully you already know, but it's my birthday month and I'm trying to get to 60,000 subscribers. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button so that you can give me a gift for my birthday, which is just that red button that doesn't cost anything. And also don't forget to click the bell so that you will be notified whenever I do upload a video. It's free, so please, if you want to support. So anyways guys, let's check this out. Şebnem. That voice though. Oh, guitar sounds good. I love the guitar in this. Angel, like a dark angel with a good heart though. Her playing, yeah. I just want to close my eyes and fade away, but some people don't like when I close my eyes. I don't know why. So dumb, but I don't want to see inappropriate things, so okay. And her. I'm looking if I'm like out of the screen if I sway. Giving amazing. She's so amazing. And also props to Net D or Net Music because they're awesome. Like, I react to a lot of their videos, and yes, they do have copyright, but it's like they take the revenue, which I don't mind about. So that's why I keep reacting to them over and over again, and they have amazing artists on there. Oh, and one of them is Şebnem, if that's the name, right? It's so good. Her voice, her emotions, the guitar, the music video, everything is just she's a complete artist. And I say angel, like that voice is like heavens, you know. If it's Judgment Day, that's the first voice that's gonna be calling for people to, like, you know, wake up from underground or something like that. Like, I think she's not human. Like, that's impossible to have that amazing voice. Like, really. Like, can we confirm that she's human? I don't think we can confirm that. Wow, that was beautiful. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave in the comment section down below what other videos like to react to. The original link of this video will be in the description box down below, so it's my social media link. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.